Let us see. Let us continue.
Find the equations of tangents for the circle x square plus y square
Minus 4x minus 6y
minus plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, which are parallel to the line, parallel to the line. X plus y plus 8 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now look at here. What is the problem? He says find the equation of tangents which are parallel to the line. Now he has not given point. He has not given any point, sir. He has given condition. Now what we say? Equation of the tangents in slope form. Okay? Whenever you are asked to find the parallel, we will be doing 3 problems like this. Then what is that we are write? Tangents in the slope form. Formula is y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into 1 plus m square. What is the formula? Y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Here, what is the 2g value? Minus 4. 2f is equal to 6. C is equal to minus 12. What is the g value? Minus 2. F value 3. And what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c, which is nothing but 4 plus 9 plus 12 is equal to 5. We got all the values. M value we got, g value, f value, r value. Therefore, tangents is y plus f. F is what, sir? 3. Is equal to m. M value is how much, sir? Okay, we have to find m value. Now m is, since it is parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. M value is given by minus x coefficient by y coefficient. What is that? Since it is a parallel, we know slopes are equal. Ante enti sir? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. What is the minus x coefficient by? What is that we get? Minus 1. So we got g value, r value, m value. We substitute here. Y plus 3. M value how much we got? Minus 1 into x plus g. G value minus 2. Plus or minus 5 into root of 1 plus minus 1 square. So y plus 3 is equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. Because 1 square plus 1 square, 2 out inside, root 2. Bring the term this side, x plus y plus 3 minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. Therefore, x plus y plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. This is a tangent. If you take plus, you get one equation. If you take minus, one more equation. Please note down. Next, find the equations of tangents to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, which are perpendicular to what the line he has given? 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Again same condition, sir. Now here tangents in the slope form. Now what is the 2g value? Plus 2. 2f is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 3. G value 1. F value minus 1. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So root of 1 plus 1 plus 3. G square means 1 square, f square means 1 square. One is simple application, sir. What is that value we get? Root 5. Therefore, and what is now? Since perpendicular It is perpendicular to what line, sir? 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to y coefficient by x coefficient. So what is the y coefficient? Minus 1 by 3. Somebody will doubt how this has come. We know very well m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. m1 means minus x coefficient by y coefficient, sir. On a general formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So that will become reciprocate. Using this we get this formula. You don't need to write all that. So what is that? M is equal to what? Minus x y coefficient by x coefficient. What is the y coefficient here? Minus 1. X coefficient is 3. 1 by 3. Therefore y plus f. F value is how much, sir? Minus 1 is equal to m value x plus 1 plus or minus r. What is r value? Root 5 into root of root of 1 plus m square. M value how much we got? Minus 1 by 3 whole square. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 1 plus or minus root 5 root of 1 plus 1 by 9. Therefore y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 1 plus or minus root 5. LCM is 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 9. So 9 plus 1. So what will happen? Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 1 plus or minus root 5 into root 10 by 3 because root 9. Now everywhere 3 is there. Multiply, cross multiply, sir. 3 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 1 plus or minus 5 into 10 50. What have we got? 5 into 10 50. Now open the bracket. 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x minus 1 plus or minus root 50. Bring the term this side. 3y minus 3x plus x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 50. Therefore this becomes x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 50. Means what? Condition. This is very important. In parabola, ellipse, hyperbola also we use this condition. Okay, parallel, perpendicular. So here this formula you have to apply. Copy this. Find the equation of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, which makes angle 45 degrees with x-axis. So first one is parallel, second one is perpendicular, no angle. Again same formula. 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. What is the g value? Minus 2. F value minus 3. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So this becomes 4 plus 9 minus 3. Right? 4 plus 9 plus minus 3. So how much it becomes? Root 10. Now it makes angle theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Means m is equal to, you know very well, when angle is given, what is the formula? Tan theta. So tan 45 is 1. Therefore tangents. What is tangent? Y plus f. F is what, sir? Minus 3 is equal to m value 1 x minus 2 plus or minus r value root 10 into root of 1 plus 1 square. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2 plus or minus root 10 into root 2. Bring the term this side. Y minus 3 minus x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 20. So this can be written is equal to plus or minus root 20. So three conditions we have seen. One is parallel, next one is perpendicular, next one angle, sir. Please note on this. We have seen tangent equation, normal equation, then we have seen length of the chord, and we have seen tangents in the slope form. Okay, there is one more model in this. What is the next problem? Show that 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is a tangent for x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. X square minus y square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. And also find point of contact. And find point of contact. Now solution. He is asking this line is the tangent to the circle. Okay. Now first we will write this. 2g is equal to minus 6. 2f is equal to 4. C is equal to minus 12. So what is the g value? Minus 3. F value 2. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 4 minus of minus plus 12. So how much we get? 5. And what is the center? Minus g comma minus f, which is nothing but 3 comma minus 2. Now d is the perpendicular distance from center 3 comma minus 2 to the line. What is the line? 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So I will find the perpendicular. Okay, replace x with 3, sir. 12 plus 6 plus 7 modulus by root of x coefficient is 3, 4, sir. 16 plus 9. So how much we get? 25 by 5, because square root of 25 will come. So this is how much? 5. Now what is the radius we got? 5. What is the d we got? 5. Since d is equal to r is equal to 5, therefore it is tangent. So first part is over. We have proved it is a tangent. Now point of contact. Let alpha comma beta is the point of contact. There are two methods are there. Any method we can use. What is that? We say alpha comma beta is the point of contact. So formula is x minus alpha minus x1 by L beta minus y1 by M is equal to minus of Lx1 plus My1 plus n by L square plus m square. Here alpha beta is the point of contact. What is the x1 y1? Center. We have seen the foot of the perpendicular formula, sir. It is similar to foot of the perpendicular. H minus x1 by a, y minus b, k minus b, y1 by b. That is the formula of foot of perpendicular. Same formula we are applying here. x1 y1 is the center. What is the center? 3 comma minus 2. And what is the line equation? For line equation 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the L value? 4. M value minus 3 and n value 7. Okay, substitute the values. Alpha minus x1 means alpha minus 3 by L value is 4 is equal to beta minus y1. Beta minus y1 is minus of minus plus 2 by M is minus 3 minus of Lx1 4 into 3 12, then minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus n value 7 by L square plus L square plus m square. So 16 plus 9. Substitution of formulas are Lx1 4 into 3 minus 2 into minus 3 plus n is n7 only. So this becomes alpha minus 3 by 4 beta plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 25 by 25. Therefore alpha minus 3 by is equal to 25 by 25 is minus 1. Beta plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So alpha minus 3 is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 3. Therefore alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 1. Therefore point of contact minus 1 comma 1. So there are three parts. First part is what, sir? We have to find the radius, then we have to find the perpendicular distance. If it is okay, then we have to find foot of the perpendicular. Okay, copy this. Next, show that the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the tangent for the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0, and also find point of contact. Same model, sir. So again, 2g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to 7, c is equal to 14. What is the g value? Minus 3 by 2. What is the f value? 7 by 2. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of 9 by 4 plus 49 by 4 minus 14. So r is equal to, LCM is 4, 9 plus 49, here 1 minus 56. So how much it becomes? 2 by 4. Because 58 minus 56, 2. So that is 1 by root 2. So what is the r value we got? 1 by root 2. Now next what is that we have to find out? D. D is the perpendicular distance from center. What is the center, sir? We have to write the center. What is the center? Minus e comma minus f. 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. Right? So center is 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, D is equal to x is replaced by 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1. And take it, sir. X and y has to be replaced by 3 by 2. And coefficient of, ikkada chala important, x coefficient y coefficient square cheyali, sir. 1 square plus 1 square. So this becomes LCM is 2, 3 minus 7 plus 2 modulus by root 2. LCM is 2, sir. 3 minus 2. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Modulus is there. 1 by root 2. Clear what's in, sir? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. But minus sign is there because modulus 1 by root 2. Now D value how much we got? D value 1 by root 2. R value is also 1 by root 2. Since R is equal to D is equal to 1 by root 2, it is tangent. Means it touches. We can say it touches. Now what is that we have to find out? Point of contact. P is alpha comma beta is the point of contact. So alpha minus x1 by L, beta minus y1 by M is equal to minus of Lx1 plus My1 plus N by L square plus M square. Now here x1 y1 is center. What is the center? 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. And what is the L value? For x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. L is equal to 1, M is equal to 1, N is equal to 1. Then put the values. Alpha minus x1 is 3 by 2 by 1. Beta minus y1 means minus of minus plus is equal to minus of Lx1 1 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by L square plus M square, 1 plus 1. So alpha minus 3 by 2, beta plus 7 by 2 minus of LCM is 2, 3 minus 7 plus 2 by 2. So alpha minus 3 by 2, beta plus 7 by 2. Here 5 minus 7 is minus 2, minus of minus is plus, minus of minus is plus, 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 by 2. Again 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 7 minus 2, minus 2 by 2 plus minus 1, because outside minus is there, 1 by 2. Therefore alpha is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So alpha is equal to 4 by 2, beta is equal to minus 6 by 2, because 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 3. Therefore what is the point? 2 comma minus 3. So what we have seen today, equations of tangents in the slope form, and line touches the circle, and point of contact. These 5 problems are very, very important. Okay, let us continue next class.